Hi, my name is Cameron Williams, and I'm a senior game designer at Infinity Ward. As a game and systems designer, I've had the pleasure of working on projects like Red Dead Redemption 2, Grand Theft Auto 6, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and 3. Today, I'm excited to introduce my course on game design with Unreal Engine, presented by Elevator. Whether you dream of designing immersive worlds or revolutionizing player experiences in video games, I'm here to equip you with the skills and knowledge to turn your passion into reality. The program is beginner friendly, so if you're just getting started in the field, I want to ensure your journey is smooth sailing. Equally, if you're looking to gain insight with some existing experience, our course project will provide a new tool set to propel your career. Throughout the course, we'll work hands-on to create a compelling game experience with powerful tools like Unreal Engine and dissect their functionalities. You'll learn how to bring your game vision to life, from crafting your first game concept to designing captivating levels and setting up intricate game systems. We'll also discuss how to polish your creations, adding narrative depth and refining gameplay mechanics to perfection. In this journey, I'll be your guide through the crucial business and self-marketing aspects of the game designer's role that await you in the industry. For example, you're going to learn how to set milestones through a production plan, pitch your game concept to stakeholders, or explore roles that are available to you as you kickstart your career. You'll also gain practical insights for smooth career progression, portfolio building, and you'll learn the secrets of acing interviews. From the very first week, you're going to embark on a course project which mirrors a typical game design test you might encounter during an interview. This project's designed to showcase your skills in game design, from concept creation to prototype execution. The project's designed to showcase your skills in game design, from concept creation all the way to prototype execution. So conquer that challenge and your first portfolio piece is ready to go. And remember, I will be available for weekly office hours if you ever have any questions. So get ready to emerge as a leader in game design. I'm thrilled to be part of this journey with you. See you in class.